Welcome. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to reverse video on TikTok. So first, you want to open your TikTok app and then click the plus sign on the bottom part of your screen. And then here, you can start taking your video or upload a video. And then click check. And then here, if you want to click effects, and then click time, and then click reverse, then click save, and then after that click next, and then there you have it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one. Have a great day.